Now I'm just sitting here chilling. Look at this car. This looks like it was a very nice car. And look at this. This is unbelievable. The wheels are gone. The doors are gone off of the car. But it was a Mercedes. Beautiful car. Look at this. The freaking hood off the car. You know somebody worked hard for this car. Oh my gosh. All 4 tires, all 4 doors. This is what's going on in America. This is what's going on. This is so sad. This is terrible. Good grief, the lights. They took the lights, the bumper. What the heck? Sad day. Sad day. Hey everyone. I got like 10-15 minutes in between customers. So I just said, let me browse TJ Maxx holiday dresses. At least I can see what they have, you know, for upcoming holiday parties and New Year's Eve parties. Maybe I can show y'all some of what they have in store. So here we go. Here we go. Pretty. This is something I would wear. DKNY. Very nice silver. On the shorter side, if you don't mind that. And nice black. See the shimmer on it? 3/4 sleeves. V-neck. That's the belt buckle detail. This is a shorter one too. They're the same, just different materials. This is very pretty. Detail right here. Look at this if you like fancy necks. More velvet. See, velvet is in, guys. Y'all think it's just me. A little longer sleeves. These are all short, though. Three-tier ruffles on this one. That's cute. Cute boots. Don't see a price on this. This silver one, $29.99. Short but pretty. Look at the beautiful details. Another green one. This one has ruffled sleeves, elastic, DKNY. There's $49.99. A pretty emerald green, sparkly. Short sleeves, $24.99. A plain, it's black, nice and long. I love this one. How much is this? $29.99. This is thin, see-through, but it's long. long sleeves. This is clearance. If you like sleeveless during this time of year, this one has the fringe on it, but it's actually jewelry, feeling chains, low cut, and this is short. Okay, that's the Johnson. This is clearance for $28. It's a pretty sparkly red. Can y'all see the sparkles? Look at the sleeves and see the sparkles. This is $39.99. This is a jumpsuit, like a fitted jumpsuit with a belt. Oh, this is cute. This is a one shoulder knotted jumpsuit. I know I love my one shoulders. Look at the pretty metallic material. One shoulder, flowy. That's the waistline. Flowy pantsuit. That is cute. That is sharp. This one is $39.99. Oh, I love anything shiny. Can y'all tell? Pretty straps. V-neck. This is like a satin material, so it wouldn't have any stretch. It has a little tie detail looks up there. And then it's like crisscrosses at the bottom. Like a satiny material. Very nice. Very classy. And this one is $39.99. Some cute sparkly tops. That's very small. How much these cost? $14.99. You may just want to throw on some black pants or something. Look at this. This would be cool for New Year's Eve or Christmas. Look at that. This is the shirt. Oh, it's a set. So it's the top. And it's a mini skirt. Depending on how tall you are. That's really cute. If you can wear it. It's $24.99. Then you have the fun green shimmery party pants. How cute is that? They flowy at the bottom, and these are $19.99. They have the pretty, beautiful red satin looking pants, flowy pants. Very nice. And the back is, or the waist is stretchy. See that elastic? And these are $16.99. First watch. Day bingo.
Six, 3, 4.
I'm a winner. Good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday, December the 9th, and it is 4:35 in the morning, and I am on my way on a road trip. Me and London and Dakota, my nephew, we are on our way to a road trip. We are headed to Pennsylvania for a little surprise. I will show you later. But yeah, so we're getting ready to hit the road, and yeah, all right. See you soon. Look at the horsey, guys. Look at the beautiful horsey. Oh my God, listen to the gallop. So so beautiful. Oh my God. Okay, everyone. So I want to show you why I took the trip to Pennsylvania, why me, London, and Dakota took the trip to Pennsylvania. This little girl right here. What's your name? Look at the camera, little girl. Don't be acting shy. She ain't shy. This is Coco. This is London's puppy. She named her Coco, right? She will be 4 months old on Christmas Eve. And she is a mini Goldendoodle. I can never remember her name. So her mother is full Poodle. Her father is half Poodle, half Golden Retriever. So she's mostly Poodle. So this is the reason why, yep, we took that long journey. It was only 2.5 hours. This is the reason why. Say hi, little girl. You don't want, she ain't looking at, she being rude. Look at the camera. Okay. All right. So this is her. Now we're gonna put up the Christmas tree. All right, so London forced me to buy this tree from Amazon. She wanted a tree with it looked like it had snow on it. So let's get started. Ooh, the heat not on, is it? No, I don't. It's hot in here. It's better. Oh, Merry Christmas stick here. This better be the right tree too. Right. Let's just attack. Oh yeah, this we put 2 trees in here. They could have, they really could have. Right. It looked big at the bottom, right? So it better be stick at the bottom like we paid for. Look at your tree that you wanted. All right. Oh, okay. Okay. So this is a tree. It looks really good, right? It really does look like it has a lot of snow on it. This is a piece on top and you just keep going. Yeah, I like this. This is good quality from Amazon. It was only $45, guys. Okay, so this is a tree, but it looks really pretty good for only $45 from Amazon, guys. So this is pre-lights, pre-bulb. So now we're going to decorate it. Okay, so let me show y'all some of the new things I got from the Dollar Tree this year. We got these. London wanted the silver and white theme. So I got these pretty silver deer. I got these candy cane spoons, which are edible. I'm just gonna sit these out. I thought those were really cute. I got this cute little mailbox thingy. I got these 2 Frosties, one with the red hat, one with the black hat. I thought they were so cute. I got this bulb, this clear big bulb. I had to put my own piece on it though. They don't come with the piece. And this white one, so this mixes with her clear white silver theme. I promise y'all these were the only 2 letters sitting there. C for Sharnita, L for London. They were just sitting there, so I had to grab them. And these little Christmas trees, 3 in a pack. They, you know, to blend with our little tree back there. And then these little cute little balls. So I got this star as well to go on top. I be forgetting stuff. I be shopping so much. I be forgetting what I bought. And these cute little glasses, which I don't need, but I just thought they were so cute. These little shot glasses here. It says elf size.
That's ugly.
And it says ho ho ho. These are so cute.
These are white fluffy.
I like to see in the L. Okay.